Hey y'all, what is up and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, my name is Steph and today's tutorial is going to be my winter base and skin routine. So I'm just showing you guys the products that I'm using to keep my skin looking super glowy throughout the cold winter months. I'm not one of those people that love to do matte makeup in the fall and winter. I just want to be glowy at all times, and I have super dry skin, so obviously skincare is a big part of it, but I'm going to show you kind of the steps that I do to make my skin look really luminous and healthy in the winter time. I'm using a ton of cream products in this tutorial, so if you'd like to see what I do to make my skin look super glowy even when it's not, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I am just starting with my skin prepped with my moisturizers, and I'm going to use these Farsali unicorn drops. I also love their gold drops, but I really like these ones. They give your skin a really beautiful luminosity to it, and it also gives your skin a little bit of grip, so it's really going to hold on to whatever foundation that you put on top of it. And for foundation, I am using my Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm adding in the Cover FX Luster Drops. And you can see here, that foundation doesn't have any luminosity to it, but I love the coverage. So adding in those drops just makes your skin look so healthy and so luminous, but it doesn't have any big chunks of glitter in it or anything like that. It just keeps your skin looking super healthy. And then I am going to cream contour, and I am just using a Tarte Shape Tape in a darker, warmer shade. I'm not using anything too cool. This is mostly just to warm up my skin. So I did this around my cheekbones, my temples, and then my jawline. And I love using this Tarte brush. This one is my favorite one for blending out any cream contour. It just keeps everything in place because it is such a stiff, dense brush, and you don't want to move that cream contour around too much. You want to keep it in those specific places to not only warm up your skin, but give it some more dimension. And moving on to the under eyes, you guys know I can't live without this. This is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I have mine in light medium, and I am trying to use as little product as possible, so I'm just using a little bit right in the very inner corners of my eyes where I have the most darkness, and then using my Shape Tape concealer to conceal underneath my eyes, go down the bridge of my nose, and then just a little bit on the corners of my mouth where I just have some hyperpigmentation, and then just blending all of that out with the same kabuki brush that we did our foundation with. And I feel like this is key for your skin looking really luminous. Cream blush. It makes the world of difference, and I'm using this one from NARS and just kind of mixing 3 different colors in there, and it just, I seriously think it is the biggest step that makes my makeup look really healthy and glowy at all times. So I did the cream blush, and I am only setting underneath my eyes with a little bit of Cover FX powder, and then going back in and going over where we did that cream contour with a little bit of Benefit Hoola. It just never lets you down. So I am just going over those areas, my cheekbones, my temples, and then along my jawline. And I also did a slight nose contour as well. But make sure to bring this down your neck. I have to, you guys, no matter what, my neck is so light. And then I am going over my blush, and I feel like having that cream blush, it really holds on to highlight as well. And I'm using this Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty, going over the tops of my cheekbones, right above the arch of my brow, and then right down the middle of my nose, the end of my nose, and then my Cupid's bow. And now I am just going to finish up my lower lash line. Simple as that. And it's onto lips. And you guys, I have been obsessed with the Patrick Ta lip collection. This is so good. I'm using his lip liner in She's Bold first and lining my lips with that. It's a really beautiful deeper nude. And then I'm going to use one of the lip creams in the shade She Is Independent to fill it in. And y'all know me, I need a gloss, so I am just going over with this Smashbox gloss just to give it a little bit of a sheen, and then your look is complete. So if you like this tutorial, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!